If you want to start using Trading212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To withdraw money from Trading212, click the menu icon, click the Manage Funds, assuming you're fully verified in this application, which is Trading212. When you click the Manage Funds, you'll be able to see the deposit funds and the withdrawal funds. Just simply select the withdrawal funds if you want to withdraw money from your Trading212 account. Once you select it, you can proceed to the transaction of withdrawing money. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Trading212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.